Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you how you can use the night mode feature on your iPhone camera. Let's get started. For that, first of all, you have to open up your camera application in your mobile device. Once you open the camera app, you might notice there is no manual light mode switch. That's because night mode is automatic. It only appears when your iPhone detects low light. So, what you need to do is to make sure live photo is turned off. Night mode won't be activated if live is on. Then, when you are in a dark or dim area, you can go ahead and simply look for a little moon-like icon at the top of your screen. That's night mode. When it appears, you need to go ahead and simply tap onto it. Then, go ahead and tap on the slider. So when you tap onto it, this is gonna appear. From here, you can adjust the exposure. Longer exposure might give you brighter or cleaner night shot, but make sure to keep your phone steady. So, for example, if I were to cover the lens or turn off the lights, you'll see night mode icon appear automatically and the camera will brighten the photo for me. And that's it. Night mode works automatically whenever your iPhone sends low light. All you need to do is watch for the moon icon. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like and sub, and I'll see you in the next one.